Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have an exciting adventure to share with you all. I recently had the incredible opportunity to explore the breathtaking landscape of Malaita province in the Solomon Islands.
From here then we go how?
Join me as I take you on a journey to discover the hidden gems of High Hill River, or Hydro of Manakwai, and the mesmerizing Manakwai Waterfall. Our adventure begins at High Hill River, a natural wonder settled among luxurious greenery. With the help of our local tour guide, a passionate resident of Manakwai village, we embarked on an unforgettable journey to this captivating location. As we followed the twisting trail, the sounds of nature filled the air, creating a peaceful atmosphere. Introducing our tour guide, she is a local female from the Manakwai village. We selected her because she is well versed with the cultural and historical stories about this place.
Let me go. I have. Para strong ya. Stone strong.
The High Hill River, with its crystal clear waters, provided a refreshing escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life in Honiara. We couldn't resist dipping our toes in the cool water while marveling at the surrounding beauty. Our journey begins at High Hill River, and we will delve into the secret of this High Hill River. So here we are now reached the High Hill River. Join me as we take a short tour. I will join these youths to experience the coolness of this High Hill River. This will be an amazing experience for me, and I don't want to miss this opportunity. From High Hill River, we continue our adventure to the old Hydro of Manakwai.
This time, we follow Lusim High Hill River. Then we walk about go more this way. We'll go looking Hydro River where we make Hydro of Manakwai ya. Yan na bang talago. Kasi valusim kami High Hill River ya. Got one source, then one falan split. High Hill, the other split. So the use him na for Hydro of Manakwai. So this time we was stroll, walk about a little bit adventure a little bit. We'll go look him na river where him supply na Hydro of Manakwai. River na ya? Hydro na ya? Okay. Oh, Hydro na lo dia. Ooh. Ooh, that's the Hydro. Okay, let's walk around. We walk around this side. Go around. Boleh mana ini kau?
Saya dulu di bayang proses. Proses kebelah air mana saja.
Small adventure nomor. Lanem have a crossing river.
Mana? Mas kita punya biji tu bah.
I'm strong, Polly. Move come a little bit back. Step, step lo there, please. Move one step more. Happier. One. So place yan separate na ya. River Campos same, Narawan go same. So dia na pa ham shooting gona inside lo dia hydro ya. So sauce pro hydro ya na ya. Dia man presa lo. Udah dia finish na ya. Man. Rave one ya.
As we approached the old hydroelectric plant, we were in wonder of the architectural marvel that stood before us. This relic from the past once powered the entire region in Manakwai and go as far as Malu station, saving us a lifetime for the local community. Our local guide share stories of how this hydroelectric plant brought light and opportunity to the village, illustrating the rich heritage and resilience of the people of Manakwai. Our journey wouldn't be complete without visiting the breathtaking Manakwai Waterfall. Close to the Manakwai village, the waterfall stands out clearly from the distance, majestically pouring down rocks into a pristine pool below. The pure force and beauty of the waterfall left us in admiration. We couldn't resist taking a dip in the cold waters, allowing the pure power of nature to refresh our spirit. As we sat by the waterfall, the tranquility of the surroundings created a sense of peace and calmness that is truly unmatched. One of the highlights of this journey was the opportunity to interact with the warm and welcoming people of Manakwai village. Our local guide introduced us to the vibrant culture and tradition of the community. We tasted local delicacies and exchanged stories with the villagers. The hospitality and genuine smiles left a permanent mark on our hearts, reminding us of the beauty of human connections. As our adventure ends, I am reminded of the immense beauty that lies within our world, waiting to be explored. From the high hill river to the old hydro of Manakwai and the breathtaking Manakwai Waterfall, Malaita province has proven to be a hidden gem worth discovering. I am grateful for the opportunity to share this journey with you all, and I hope it has ignited your curiosity to explore the wonders that surround you. I really enjoy my time with my other colleagues and our tour guide, who she is helping us to discover this beautiful waterfall in Manakwai. This is a wonderful opportunity and a good experience for me. Don't miss this opportunity to connect yourself with the nature and create memories that will last a lifetime. I'm sure if you visit this place, you will experience more than me. Thank you for joining me on this remarkable adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with more exciting travel content. Until next time, keep exploring and embracing the wonders of our incredible world.